Oh, it's time for the mailbag. No! And the MT Award for Most Frequently Interrupted Program.
Perfect for homes that have a Sphinx in every belfry. And it's the only brand made in 3/4 time and 1/4 emptying cream. By the way, our dear fellow, you've earned enough Vitch McCall rewards points now that your next Emption is on the Royal Us.
An Emption redemption? On the manorial house?
How much is that in war with hulls?
Cut, it's Vervithals.
My name is Wincha May Caller. I'm the housekeeper in an eerie mansion known as Vitch McCall.
Why the mischief are you telling us all this, Mrs. Caller? Everybody knows who you are and where you are.
Oh, isn't this the first episode?
No, it's 919. Speaking of endless sagas that go around in circles, did you feed the Ouroboros?
Consider it done. Oh, it's time for your lordship's program. TV on. Darn this mustache. Miss Tapioctoplasm, am I hearing correctly that the seance is ghost emptied so that disco night is back on? Unless the seance is unghost emptied and I continue blowing my own perm while fleeing to the baby Grand Duchy of Absentia, leaving the brown walls to disco by themselves? Groovy. TV off.
We must admit it seemed funnier back when we submitted it.
How many years ago was that?
Well, let's see. We were around 11 then, and we've just celebrated our 1000th birthday. 686.
Deterged with gargles, the douched off stain. Deterred from gargoyles, where are its wings? Deferred by gaggles, when migrate do they? We'll tell you, to who's a day? Demurred in goggles, can't see you through. Detoured by giggles, to Kathmandu. Your moody splendor, your ring so slender, our bats and belfries, please tell us, do